Close your eyes for a second. Someone smiles and asks you, "So, how was your year?" Your heart beats fast. You know the words, but they don't come out.
What if, in the next few minutes, you could answer that question clearly, calmly, and confidently in simple English?
Stay with us. By the end of this video, you will talk about your year in English.
Hello and welcome back. I'm really happy you're here today.
Yes, welcome. This is a safe place. No pressure, no judgment, just real English, step by step.
Today's topic is very special. We're going to practice something very real.
Talking about your year in English.
Not perfect English, not long English, just clear, simple, human English.
This video is for A2 to B1 learners. If you understand English but feel shy to speak, this is for you.
We'll speak slowly, we'll repeat, and we'll practice together.
Let's be honest, talking about your year sounds easy.
But when someone asks, your mind goes blank.
Your year feels big. Many days, many feelings, many events.
Today, we make it simple.
We break your year into small, easy parts.
First rule, start simple.
One sentence is enough.
My year was good.
My year was difficult.
My year was busy.
Repeat after us.
My year was good.
My year was difficult.
My year was busy.
Quick question. Was your year good, bad, or mixed?
Answer in your head. Keep that answer.
Now add one reason.
Only one.
My year was good because I learned new things.
My year was difficult because I was very busy.
Repeat after me.
My year was good because I learned new things.
My year was difficult because I was very busy.
Let me share a real example.
Go ahead.
I said, my year was busy because I worked a lot and learned new skills.
Simple. Natural. Now your turn.
Say this sentence out loud.
My year was blank because blank.
Next, talk about one highlight.
One good thing.
One good thing this year was my job.
One highlight was traveling.
Repeat after me.
One good thing this year was my job. Quick quiz.
Which is better?
This year was extremely transformative, or this year helped me grow.
The answer is the second one.
Now let's talk about one challenge.
Every year has challenges.
One challenge this year was stress.
I had some problems at work.
Repeat after me.
One challenge this year was stress.
Take a breath.
Relax your shoulders.
You are speaking English. That matters.
Now let's talk about feelings.
Feelings make your English human.
I feel proud of myself.
I feel tired but happy.
Repeat after me.
I feel proud of myself.
A student once told me, my year was hard, but I didn't give up.
Simple words, strong message.
Another quick quiz.
Which is better? Despite many adversities, I persevered, or it was hard, but I didn't give up.
The second one.
Let's do a short role play.
Imagine we meet.
So, how was your year?
My year was busy because I worked a lot. One good thing was learning English. One challenge was stress, but I feel proud of myself.
Now, pause the video and answer.
Here's a secret.
You don't need to speak fast.
Slow English is confident English.
Last part, talk about your future.
One sentence is enough.
Next year, I want to improve my English.
Repeat after me.
Next year, I want to improve my English.
Final quiz.
Which is better?
In the forthcoming year, I aspire to linguistic enhancement, or next year, I want to improve my English.
The second one.
Now listen to a full answer. My year was mixed because I was very busy. One good thing was my family. One challenge was stress. I feel proud because I learned English. Next year, I want to improve more.
That is perfect beginner English.
Let's review.
One sentence about your year.
One reason.
One highlight.
One challenge.
One feeling.
One future plan.
If you can talk about your year, you can talk about your life.
And if you can talk about your life, you can connect with people.
English is not about perfection.
It's about being understood.
Subscribe if this helped you.
Comment below. My year was...
In the next video, we'll practice talking about your future plans.
You're doing great. Keep going.